So this video has nothing to do with the hard body, but it seems like most of our viewers love the hard body, so I just had to start out with some shots of the hard body because I think it's cool too.
We should probably wash it at some point in time.
We probably should wash it. That's your negligence, not mine.
I know.
It doesn't live at my house.
Maybe I should park at your house for a week.
When are we gonna wash this?
I don't know. That's a good question. What is that?
Is that functional?
No. I mean, it's functional if you use your hand.
What is it, a coat hanger?
Yeah.
Take your hat off and stick it on there?
It doesn't even like go up all the way. Oh yeah, it does.
Yeah, it does. Look at that. Dang.
This is called an antenna.
This looks factory for 79, 80?
79.
Is that what year this is?
Yeah. This is the car that's been creeping for what, like 2 months?
Yeah, since we got it from Jesse's dad's yard.
It went to Justin's house for a couple weeks.
Yeah.
He cleaned it up a little bit, and then we went and picked it up from Justin. And here it is. Now we're gonna start trying to make it live.
I just have to say this. I can't help it. This bouncy thing is always in our videos. It's so ridiculous. I think it's been in probably half of the videos that we've put up on YouTube.
It's definitely every hard body video.
And we don't even use this. Like, we don't even sit in this and bounce.
Levi doesn't either. Like, nobody's used that thing for longer than we've had this car.
Jeez. So even with the big American bumpers on this thing, it looks really good. I like the shape of it a lot. It looks really sporty. So are we gonna... Really? Right in the middle of me talking.
It did.
So are we gonna drift this thing or what? What's this thing gonna do? What'd it do?
Hopefully it's gonna hard park really well.
Okay, I like hard parking. We have a lot of drift machines. We need a hard parker.
Yeah, the plan is like, right now I think it's on 13s. I want to put probably 16s on it. A little bit wide. Camber it and set it on the ground.
Something deep and pretty.
Probably not that deep. Probably not that pretty. I have a wheel in mind, and it's kind of a controversial wheel.
Okay, I like controversial.
Me and you both like it.
Okay.
A lot of other people don't. It's not really like the right style of wheel for the car, but I think it'll work.
So what model is this?
It's a 320i.
Because it says 323 on the back.
Yeah, somebody wished that they would have bought a 323.
Alright.
It is 5-speed swap though, instead of having a 4-speed, which a 320 should have a 4-speed. This has a 5-speed, and it's pretty standard for like your early BMW, you know. This is
Oh, does it open up backwards?
Yeah.
The hood opens up backwards.
This is
That's
my
so
favorite
cool.
part. You can't really tell that the car has a hood because of where they did the hood split.
Oh, the hood line's down there.
Yeah.
Dude,
So,
that's so great looking.
yeah, I like it a lot. So this is the mess of early fuel injection that we're going to have to learn how to deal with.
What size 4-cylinder is this?
A 2-liter.
2-liter.
This is pretty cool. It says the firing order on the valve cover. Can you see that? The inside's pretty clean. Like, it's dirty, but it's really not in bad shape.
No, it isn't. It has weird alien language on the dash.
Yeah, it's going to be fun figuring out what everything does.
So this is a European dash? Or did they come to the US like this?
No, it's European. This is a German dash panel. The English one's in the trunk. Somebody was converting it. I think they were trying to make it a 323 replica. That's the only thing I can think. You know, it's 5-speed swapped. It's got the badge on it. It's got the dash. What else would they be doing? have this stupid seat in here. It was the passenger seat on the hard body.
Oh yeah, it was.
It's not going to be in there long. The seats that I want look pretty close to factory Recaros that were an option on this car. Beau's going way deep in there. Can't hear me now. I just ordered a bunch of stuff to get it running. Hopefully that'll come in soon.
What does it need to run?
We're going to start with fuel pump, fuel filter, cap and rotor, ignition coil, spark plugs, and spark plug wires.
Well, that's pretty comprehensive.
Yeah, we're also going to drop the tank and flush that real good.
I don't know what kind of tires this thing came with, but they look super gravelly almost, like a rally tire. So what are you gonna do about all these? Excuse me. What are we gonna do about all these rust spots?
I like the look, but I also think the car would look really good painted. So I think we're gonna roll it like this for a little bit and then paint it. Once we get like everything else finished up, I don't want to paint the car and then still have like this going on.
Yeah.
Or this going on, you know. So I think once we get everything else squared away, maybe do bumper deletes and all that, then we'll think about painting the car and making it look really pretty.
So are we gonna make the interior like super nice and plush? I mean, it's pretty plush as it is, you know, all things considered.
I like the kind of like raggedy inside of the car. Like, I really think it would look cool with the outside painted like super nice and the inside kind of being like aged. Obviously I want to replace the carpet because I don't like seeing metal floor. That's not that cool.
I don't know, I disagree. I think we should be able to see the road
Should we
through
see
the floor.
ground? My favorite part is the leather on this rear seat.
Yeah,
I
it's
just
really
think it looks
nice.
really cool.
So any performance modifications at all?
I guess coilovers are performance modifications.
Ricer exhaust?
No.
Like a Motec Systems exhaust?
I want it to be nice to just drive around in. Like, just go get ice cream on Sundays.
200 shot of NOS?
Yeah, we'll put some NOS.
So, according to Ronnie, this is going to be our going to get ice cream car. We like it, it's real pretty. So, hopefully you guys like it too, and you'll want to tune in as we pseudo restore this thing. So that's one of our upcoming projects, along with our
Like
stupid WRX project and all the projects that we currently have going.
They don't know about the stupid WRX.
Well, they do now. Upcoming stupid WRX project and Bmw E21?
Yeah.
E21 project. There's our faces. Don't forget to look in the camera instead of the screen. There you go.
Alright guys, well anyways, it's hot out here.
Hang on, are we in focus?
Are we in focus?
Are we in focus?
Are we in focus?
We're in focus.
We're in focus. We're good now.
Start over.
Alright guys, it's really hot out here. We're ready to go inside.
It's really bright too.
Yeah, it's ridiculous.
Yeah, we'll see you later.
We're both like getting age wrinkles.
Dude,
because
we're done
sweating
talking.
So hard.
Don't get. Bye.